Hi, I'm Anurag Ray from Online Business Mastery, and today I'm going to show you what is a website. I'm going to teach you how to create a website and how you can use it for your own business. So what exactly is a website? A website is something that represents your business by showing various products and services. It's almost like a shop that you need to get in order to start a business. Basically, it is like those shop that you need in order to display your products, sell products, and do all sort of stuffs. So why do you need a need a website? This to increase brand value, to generate sales, to get subscribers, to display your services, and to increase trust. If you have a well developed and well designed website, people will look into it and they will generate good impression about it, thus increasing your brand value. If you have a good looking website and a well described sales funnel, then you can generate sales from your website. If you are providing a mailing list, or if you have a embedded mailing system into your sign up form into your website, then you can get subscribers from it. You can display your services, like if you are having a consultation business, then you can show your service, what kind of service you provide. For that you can use the website. And in general, you can increase your trust if you have a website, because if you have a HTTPS enabled website, SSL certificate website, then in general people get a very good brand. You get first of all, you get a extremely high brand value, plus you get to develop trust because you have a SSL certificate. People think it's 100% genuine, so people tend to buy from those websites as an SSL certificate. But if that is not an absolute thing, you always don't need an SSL certificate to sell products. I'll just start from here and how to create a website. So the website basically consists of two things. One is a domain name that you have to create. The domain name is basically the name of the website that you want to create, like www.xyz.com or .net .website, but I recommended you to get .com website, because that is the best way to get more brand value, because people trust .com website more than any other form of extensions. And then after you get the domain, then you have to get into a some sort of hosting service, maybe from hostgator.in or for any other website, in order to, and then build up a website from that hosting service. Then most of the hosting service consists of WordPress, and I use WordPress because extremely nice system to build up a website. It contains lot amount of features, many plugins, and you can smoothly create a website without knowing much about it. So let's get started. So I'm into my computer right now. So this is basically the HostGator main website. So I have logged into it because I already have an account. So if you are new to it, so first what you have to do is just go to hostgator.in. Then what you can do is over here you just click on this domains, registered domain. Type the name of the domain, like let's say XYZ. I am naming it XYZ. You can name it anything you want to represent with your business. I'm typing it xyz.com, and I'm going for a search. Click on the search. We search all of the available name. You can see here that let's say xyz.com is not available, so I have to try with different name, like let's say business founder xc.com. This is just a random name I am using over here. You can use anything that you want to use. You click on the search again. Now here you get it is available. Business founder xc.com is available. So you can see the price over it is rupees 699 per year, or you can say it is just around just a bit over $10 per year. So it's extremely cheap. You can get it easily, and then just click add to cart. Click on the checkout. It is loading. It will take some time as it is loading, and once it is done, you can see here it is just $699 for 1 year, and for privacy protection you have more 299 rupees, or it can be around some dollars, not much, and then and for all and some tax included over it is 150 rupees, and at the end of the day it's just rupees 1148 for 1 year. So it is pretty cheap. If you see it, we have to just pay 1148 for 1 year, and plus you will get extremely high brand value, because it's a .com website and people will trust you more than anything else. And plus you will also have you will able to generate sales from your website. So this price won't matter much, because this price is extremely cheap if you are creating a website for sale, because this price won't matter at all. So now after you have done this, click on the continue. Then you just click on the continue. I have my account login. So there are so many ways by which you can pay if you are an Indian user. Like for Paytm, you have PayPal, you have net banking, debit card, credit card, you have check, demand draft, direct deposit. You can pay with your account balance, that is from your bank account, or you can add funds to it in order to pay it. So after you have done that, click on I agree, then pay now. I have already created an account, so I won't be creating it right now. So after you have created an account, you will be redirected to some place like this. So once you have logged into it, you will be emailed with the username and password confirmation email. Click on the confirm button, and then once you have done that, then you have to just log in. You will come up to this hostgator.in, then just like over here, you just come over in this page, and then you can just like I'm logging it out, and just to show you, click on this login option over here. Then you can type your email address, that is the password that the email address you registered with while you are opening up an account with HostGator. Just type in your email address. Enter your password. Once you are done with it, it will take you to the main page. So it will take you to this page, and then you just click on the manage orders, list, search orders. Your website name should be listed over here. Click on it. Then after you have clicked over here, you click in the manage web hosting. Looks like it's not loading. Hold on a sec. So if you just click on it, manage web hosting, and most likely you will be taken to something like this. So if in case it doesn't work, you can download a VPN proxy server. For sometimes the cPanel doesn't opens up, you can download it to the VPN proxy server for your Google Chrome. That's a free extension you can get from Google Chrome. Just go to the setting options and see there, get more extensions, and just enter the name VPN VPN, and you will get this extension over here. And you change it to United States, and that's it. And over here sometimes this the HostGator cPanel creates this kind of problem. Usually it won't happen, but for some reason it creates problem with my computer. And then after you have done that, just click on this Softaculous app installer, and now you have to install this one, the WordPress, right? Just click on the install, and it will install your WordPress. So once you have installed the WordPress, for me it has already been installed, so I would be closing this one second. Just hold on a sec. Close that. Once you have done the installation, it's showing over here. Here it is, the scripts. You can see it over here. Click on this WordPress. Now click on this one, the admin, this Persian picture over here. Click on it. You will be redirected to the main login page. This is one of my website that I have created, and it has already logged into this website, in this my WordPress website. So once you have done here, this is the WordPress main dashboard. So you can see it is extremely interactive way to build a website, because it provides you all of the free plugins and system that you can use to build up your website and start your business. So if you are looking for a website theme, for example, if I show you the main website that I have over here, let's see, it is actually not completed yet, but I'm going to show you anyway. As you could see, this is just the theme of it. Copyright 2017, fashion is ray theme. You can actually change this thing, the footer section over here, and this is just like an website. This is just the theme that I have created. You can actually download the theme from here, like go to the appearance. So if you want to add different kind of themes, you can just go to the appearance, go to the themes over here, and then you can use by default this theme may be active, and so I'm going to active it for a while to show you. Just click on the active. Okay, just I'm going to show you how to add themes first, because that will be useful. So what you have to do over here is just type business themes, for example, business, and add new theme. So it will show you the list of various themes available over here. Some of them are mostly free, so the free themes are usually provided with all of the services. Some of them are paid, but even if you use the free version of that paid free version of that paid theme, you can still be able to work with it, because it provides a lot amount of features. Even the free version provides lots amount of features, so it won't be a difficulty for you. So just let's see, if I go with this one, just click on this install option over here. This saying it's installing. It may take some time, as depends upon the file size of it. Now it is installed. Now click on the activate. So now let's see what happened to my website. It is known as Zerafi. So let's see how it changed my website design. So as you could see, your fashion destination, fashion is the way, product categories. See, it has changed the entire theme of this website. It looks completely different from before. So this is how you can change the themes of this website, and then if you want to customize it and change like the footer section of it over in this place and many other places, you can do that too. So for some reason, if in some of the themes basically there are restrictions where you cannot remove the copyright, like this one, you cannot remove this thing. So in that case, if you can't remove even after going to footer.php file, which I'm going to show you just right now, so what you can do over there is let me see it. You can download like different kind of plugin. I see, let's see, where is the plugin? And I will be showing you that a little bit later on. For some reason cannot get into the plugin right now. Okay, let me show you actually how to remove it manually, the footer section, because you need to change this thing over here. This is 100% legal, you don't have to worry about it. You can actually change this one by going to like over in this place, editor, click on the appearance, then go to the editor section over here. Then you can go to check this one, theme footer, theme header, single page, single let's see how it is exactly is written. So this footer.php, as you can see, theme footer.php, you can click on it and let's see, and the footer section, don't remove the entire thing, just remove the link part. So let's see if it is available over here. Let's see if I can remove it. But before you remove, I want you to just back up this thing by just doing a selection, random selection, and then Control C for copy, paste it in WordPad. Paste it in WordPad, so that in case if you just do something wrong with it, it can be recovered. So let's see, scroll, find Rafi theme name, theme URI Rafi theme. So let's see, RF. I would like to remove only this one over here. Let's see if I could remove it. I will just remove this one over here. So let's see if that works. It's just this one. Click on the delete option and then click on the update file. Yeah, it is removed. As you can see, it is removed from here. So now it's like my brand name, Fashion is the Ray, copyright 2007. Look professional, right? So you can do that like that way. You have to mainly remove. So let me do it, show you one more time. Oh, I just removed it. I just have to copy paste this one. I just removed the main link file over here that is showing the name from this page. Is it? Over here. Just select this portion. In most of the places this will be it. So the theme a ref equals this thing. You have to remove this thing. This is the link thing over here, and it is named as by the thing, it has Rafi theme, data equal WP get theme. So you have to remove this one, and it will remove it from this page. This thing over here, it will be removed. This thing will be removed from just by deleting this portion over here. So that's how you can remove it. And after that, when you have done with that, you can go to the customize section to customize the most of the place things over here. So you can go to the widget section. No, not from here. Just you can do like background image. You can add some image over here. You can add social media icons, Instagram URL if you have an Instagram account, Snapchat URL if you have a Snapchat account, Twitter account, site identity. You can add like, this is my site title, this is my site. You can change it to whatever you want. Like this is the, if you change this one, this will be changed. Let's see, show you once. Hope it will. Yep, it did. So this is, if you change this one, it will start changing. Right now I won't be changing it. And then you can change, you can also upload your brand, like your brand logo over here. It will be pasted somewhere around here. So after you have done all of it, you can add some menus over here. And then what you can do is, if you I'm closing this one, if you want to, but before you close this customize option, just press on save and publish to make this work permanent, and then just click on this close option over here. So once you have done that, I would like you to go to the, hold on a sec, pages section over here. So if there is additional pages that you don't need, you can remove it over here. See, all of the pages that are connected with it, like stores, shop, my account, men's fashion, checkout, cart, are actually in the pages section, right? It is not in the product section or anything else. In the product section, what I have is the products. So if you want to actually have this thing, the product section and this checkout, main fashion and all these kind of things, you need to then go to the plugin section over here, and then you can add various plugins from, this is the coolest part of this. So you can add various kind of plugins over here. So just click on this option over there, like add new plugin. You can upload plugin if you have already downloaded the plugin from some other website, or you can just type it over here. So what I want you to do, if you are going to run a business, I want you to do is download the WooCommerce plugin. That will allow you to integrate your PayPal account, or if you have any other payment system. So WooCommerce plugin, so it should be available. So let's see, it is loading. So here it is. You can download it as It is showing update now for me because it has been already been installed over here, so you can see it over here. So if you generate any orders, it will show up over here. If you have any other thing, like you can also download the abandoned cart tool if that is also needed, because you need to know who actually abandoned your cart. Add looking into the number of installs that have been, so they see the rating and see whether it is compatible with your version or not. In that way you can just click on the install now, then do that to cart option, install now, and then activate plugin, and it will be activated instantly. So there it is, how you can create a website and with WordPress. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually you can also create a sign up form over here, like in this way. This will also be important for you. Let's see. Okay, the sign up form actually comes up with various options. Some of them are paid and some of them are not, but they usually, most of the programs have some features of payment, because if they are looking for email marketing or automated emails, then they will ask for quite a lot amount of money. So you can install the basic version of it and get your subscribers. They have a subscriber limit, like up to 500 you can get. It is free, and then after that you can you have to pay some money in order to run that. So you can do that, and obviously over here also you have to see how many installs are there. If it has 10,000 plus active installs and it is compatible with the version of WordPress, you can actually install it. So this is basically, it will be nice. I think it can, but the rating is pretty low, but it will be okay if you are 3 out of 5 rating is pretty good actually if you are looking to install something. So you can do that, and just you can now in the next video also, or in the coming up videos, I will be also showing you to how to actually do SEO in the WordPress, search engine optimization in WordPress, that will be used in order to rank your site better in Google, and you can get free traffic from Google if you can do it properly. It usually takes some time, around few months, 6 to 7 months, if you can do it properly, if you maintain all of the rules. And then in order to do that, you can do that in order to generate free traffic from Google search engine, which is huge actually. So that's basically a thing that you have to keep in mind when you are like creating a post or something like that, or if you are creating a product. Keep that in mind and design the website on the basis of search engine optimization. For search engine optimization, what I want you to do, I'm just showing you a brief idea on search engine optimization, that is Yoast plugin. Yoast plugin actually is a very nice plugin to make your site get 100% SEO and get ranked higher in Google. It's extreme plugin for WordPress. See the Yoast SEO. You can see 1 million active installs. It is compatible with my version of WordPress, and it has got an extremely high rating. Now you can understand what is the potential of this plugin. 1+ million active installs. That's huge actually. So you can do that also. And then I already have this hasn't been installed in this WordPress account, but I can do that. You can do the install now, but I'm not going to install it right now because the same process. Just click on the install now, then activate it. It's simple as that. Just let me show you another way to do it. It is also pretty simple. If you want to, if you have already downloaded the plugin from any other website, just click on the upload plugin option over here, choose the zip file by clicking on it, and then you can just click on the install now, and then it will be installed. It's simple as that. And just if you have done with all of this thing, and if you have done the SEO correctly, then you can actually generate free traffic from your Google, from other search engine platforms, Bing.com, Yahoo.com, all other search engine platforms, and it can grow your business drastically. But the problem of SEO is you have to be in up to date all the time, because Google changes their algorithm over time. You need to also generate backlinks, and backlinks I think cannot be generated properly with this any other software or plugins, because you have to do it manually. It is a pretty hard work, because you have to create backlinks from .edu site, .gov site, high ranking sites, so that you can get ranked higher in Google. So also you need to have some social shares. You can get that. So if you're looking for social shares, you can also have a lot amount of plugin over here, which is basically free to use, and but also had some paid features which I don't recommend you to use when you are getting started. Social plugin, let's see if you have that. After you have created or uploaded your plugin from your other websites and into your WordPress account, what you can do is you can add additional features in order to speed up your website loading speed. So that will be helpful, because if you are because the more faster your website is, the more fast it opens, the better the website visitors visit your websites, and the more they stay in your website, because people have a very little attention span, and if your website takes too long to load, then probably they might leave your website even before seeing your contents within the website. So what you can download is just go to this WordPress plugin section, then go to type WP Super Cache, and it should be showing up. Yeah, you can install this one. So you can see 1+ million active installs, and it also has the same rating, so like Yoast plugin. So this is extremely useful plugin that you can use to speed up your website, WordPress website. So install, click on the install now, and then click activate now. It will be activated then and there. So these few things will just help you to get started with your WordPress website and help you to get started with your business. And you can usually you can do any other by the way, this version hasn't been tested with me, so you can anyway, you can download this one also if it is not working. If this version is not working untested with your version of WordPress, you can go with WP Super Cache Clear All Cache, this one. This is actually compatible with your version of WordPress. Anyway, so what I was telling you that if you are really looking forward to build a remarkable website and looking forward to get started with the business, and even if you are a business will be working over a few years from now and paying monthly services, monthly subscriptions for hosting platform or or from website or to website builders, then you can easily shift to the WordPress website, wordpress.org website, which is available within some hosting platform like bluehost.in.com or from godaddy.com. So what I want you to tell is that if you are looking forward to get a website and also hosting services, I want you to buy those things from the same place. For example, if you're looking forward to get a website from Bluehost or hostgator.in.com, whatever, you enter the email domain name, get your domain name, and use that and the hosting services from that website only, because if you don't, it will take at least 4 to 5 days for it takes at least 72 hours for the website to get transferred to the another hosting platform. So you have to wait unnecessarily before start building your website. So I don't recommend you to do that. Buy it from the same hosting platform that you do, so you can do it that way. And also I'm going to show you another one, that is go to the godaddy.com. So this is basically the same thing, just a bit different and a bit the concept is basically the same, and you can do it the same way. So it is godaddy.com, and here I am. So just click on this. If you haven't created an account, create an account. Then I am just signing into it, as I've already created an account in it. So let's see, I'm just signing into it. So it will just take a while, and you can also click, then after you have signed, you get your domain over here. To get your domain, just go to godaddy.com and then type your domain name. I'm going to type like xyzbusiness.com. So there are many other available options over here, like xyz.com. It is coming at when you register for 2 years or more, first price will be 90, another additional price 959. So it is just a bit more expensive. So let's say .com extension, because it's most trustworthy. let's see how much price will it actually be. Selected it, then I go to continue to cart. Website builder, I won't recommend you to get a website builder, so you will need a Linux web hosting, so this is needed. So get an email address that matches your domain. You can take it if you want to, one mailbox, business and individual, but if you don't want, you can reject it also. So you have this one, like this package, starter package, which has one website, 30 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 10 email addresses, and one MySQL database, 1 GB. And this has economy, and this is deluxe. So you can go with this one, the small one, 149. Let's see what happens. Okay, continue to this options. Continue with these options. And after you have clicked on it, your overall rate is coming around. And why is that so? If I would like to go to 1 year, then okay, the amount decreases 2872, and keep my domain private, keep my personal info public. So, I would recommend you to make it private, as this will secure a website even more. Simple Linux hosting is 25% off, and you are getting it around 1788. It also has a 1 month offer over here. You can also get it that way. You can also get it at 129 for 24 months. That's it. Then you can click on this, proceed to checkout. Place your order, and then you can pay using credit card, net banking, net debit card, MoneyBooker Cash, mobile payment, Union Pay. So if you are from US or any other place, you may have different options. So for Indian, these things are available, and you can place it over here. Just click on the place order. I'm not going with it because I already have an account. So after you have created an account, you can come into this place, just log into it, and then you will come up to this place. Click on this web hosting over here. Then click on this manage. Then you can click on this WordPress. It will redirect you to another page. So you can come over here and log in with your email, username and password. When you are installing your WordPress, I want you to know that you will be asked to register username and password. Remember that username and password, then enter it over here to get logged in into a website. Once you have logged in into a website, all of the features will be like this only. There wouldn't be much of difference because that is the same thing as this one. So after you have logged into it with using GoDaddy, you can do it that way, and you can then create your website in the similar way I have created before using GoDaddy's platform. So that's it for today, how to create a website, and this is an extremely valuable thing if you are really going to start your business or grow your business, get more subscribers. And this is an extremely important thing for starting your business, or maybe for developing more brand and getting more visitors to come to your one place, because without a website you can't let visitors land to some place, because if you don't have a platform, people won't come to your website or anything else in order to view your products. So the online website is basically those things that is like the shop where people can come and visit and buy your products, your services, whatever you offer, and then get you profits. So that's it. And on the next video I will also show you how to create landing pages and sales pages, because those things are extremely important. And because if you are creating a website, usually a website has around 5 to 10% conversion rate at most. Even the best of the best website available out today, even the biggest website out today, biggest business out there in the internet has around 5 to 10 or at most 15% conversion rate, but that is extremely low compared to that of landing pages. Landing pages, for my landing pages especially, it has over 40% conversion rate. Even it has even reached to 100% sometimes, but that is not, obviously that is not every time, but it has reached 100%. Then it has sometimes got around 70%, and on average it has maintained around 30 to 40% conversion rate. So it's pretty huge for if you're running an online business. So you can do it that way on your own. So that's it. If you're really willing to get all of it, so click on the link below. If I have provided all of the links inside the description over here, from where you can buy the website and buy the hosting services, domain hosting and the domain services. You can get it just by clicking on the link below in case you get confused. And if you don't understand anything, you can watch this video over and over again so that you can understand it properly. And that's it for today. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video with brand new contents on how to create landing pages and how to create sales pages to generate sales and get huge amount of subscribers. That's it. Thank you.